Hey guys, Rich here at eBike Reviews and Adventures. I've got Emma over here and I got Devin over there, and we're getting ready to unbox the Troxus Lynx Plus, which is going to be Emma's daily rider. So we're excited about it. She's excited about it. Let's get into the video. You got the knife.
I know.
Open the box.
He was handing me his, and I said I want the big one.
You got it. You got it. Let's open the box. This is a big box. Let's see what's in it.
Oh.
More boxes.
Rack.
Front rack.
Front basket, something and other.
Okay, that's the front rack, front basket, and this is
another basket.
for the rear. Nice. So we got a basket for the front and for the rear.
Nice.
Man, I don't know what color it is. It's supposed to be blue.
I was gonna say, I hope it's the color we picked.
It's supposed to be blue. You can't tell with all this foam in here. Start cutting some zip ties.
Just watch the paint.
Watch the paint. There we go. Sweet! Emma! Why? Emma! Ah! If you want to.
Yeah,
It
babe.
doesn't really fit. What?
Put it on.
I'm trying to figure out the best way to put it on.
All right, here we go. We got this thing out of the box, looking good. I do see some blue down there. That's kind of sharp looking. Looking good. Emma, what do you think of the color so far?
I like it. It's pretty.
It is pretty. It's pretty blue.
I mean, hey, it just means I'll stand out more if I get hit by a car.
I don't understand. I don't understand. We just had a conversation behind the scenes off camera about this logo.
Darn things are about as greasy as that pizza we just ate.
Yuck. Here, let me show you a trick. No faster. Just spin it that way versus.
Too late. She's a candy distributor.
She's distributing candy to us.
She's the candy mom.
You want some?
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
All right, Em and I have this bike assembled. It didn't take very long at all. It was pretty easy. Of course, we would have to install the front tire and fender, which was seamless. We had to attach the handlebars up here on the sim. We attached the pedals down here. And yeah, I guess that was about it. Tell you what, this bike is looking nice. It looks really good. Oh, look at that color. That is sharp. So far, it looks like a very good quality build. I'm excited. Emma's excited. You excited?
Yes.
She's excited. Here we go. Power this thing up. Let's take a look at it. Boing. Ooh, pretty colors. Look at that. Shazam. Ooh, look at that. We got 92% battery life in here already. That's what it's showing. That's cool. Pass. 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
And we may be able to adjust that in the settings and give you 9. So we'll have to go in there and look. You ready to take it for a spin?
Yeah. I don't know. They both said front basket. It's one of the baskets.
It's one of the baskets. Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
I like it. I like the color.
I do. It's pretty sharp. All right, Emma.
Hold on, I gotta do an 8-point turn.
Oh, an 8-point turn right here in the garage because we got so much stuff.
Cut it hard. Cut it hard. Cut it hard. There you go.
Okay, I will say
Now, hold on. Was this cadence mode or torque mode?
Torque.
And torque.
torque.
This is torque mode. All right. I'm excited to see how you like it.
Me too. I'm already a little thrown off because I'm used to the throttle being over here, I feel like.
Oh, because it's a left thumb throttle.
Yeah. Which is fine. I'll get used to it, but
Do you prefer the twisty throttle versus a thumb?
Honestly, no. My thumb does cramp up sometimes, but I don't like the twisty one because the twisty one, it's too easy to accidentally hit it when you're trying to just hold onto the handle. So.
Right. So we might be able to. In fact, we should be able to, because that's mostly universal.
Maybe just switch them.
Yeah.
Or something?
Maybe.
If not, it's not that big of a deal.
Yeah,
I'll get
we'll
used
have to
to
see if
it.
there's enough room to squeeze it in over here.
If not, I'll get used to it. It's just a matter of getting used to it.
When you pedal out, right now you don't have any pedal assist, obviously.
Yeah.
So when you pedal out, you'll just hit this one to go up, and then you can get it into a comfortable gear. The torque sensor will just kick in as it needs to.
Okay.
You'll feel it.
Okay. Runs right into your truck. I like it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You got this look on your face. Well, I'm gonna say I like it because the camera's running, but
I like it.
Do you notice a difference with the torque sensor versus a cadence?
I don't feel like I normally do the cadence. I mean, I have, but like everything I normally ride, I feel like is the torque.
No, your old one was a cadence.
Your old one
Was it?
Yep.
Yes.
It's a whole different.
Are you sure? You sure it's in cadence mode?
It's in torque mode. So if you hold the plus, the little bicyclist comes up, and that's cadence.
Take it for a spin now.
Okay. To be fair, it's been a while since I feel like I rode my other one. I've been testing a lot of the other ones, so maybe that's what it is. Other than that, I don't feel like there's anything super different about it, but I like it.
Well, he just changed the settings, so take it for a spin now and see if you notice it.
Okay. Yeah, big difference.
Yeah.
Big difference, huh?
So which you? Yeah, I'll try it.
Are you gonna let him try it?
Yeah. No, he can't.
Oh, you can't try
It's mine.
Sorry, Devin. All right, Devin, what do you think?
Torque mode is just way better.
It is, huh?
Yeah. So I think we talked about it on one of the other bikes I rode the other day about how with the cadence sensor, even though you have 8 gears, you still get the ghost pedaling.
Right.
Well, I switch back and forth while riding.
Yep.
And yeah, you still get the ghost pedaling on this with the cadence.
When cadence is,
Yeah, once it gets, I had it up to 23 or something at one point, but you could easily, you can tell quickly. I have it in pedal assist 4 right now, and you can even tell, like, just leaving that corner and getting up to speed here, you can already start to feel ghost pedal and cadence.
Yeah.
Versus that torque is.
You got good resistance when you hit torque mode. Bike, but that's okay. So how far can we go? Oh yeah. Look, there's the minimum right there. So hey. Oh, you ready? Woohoo! Well, that thing kicks in right away. I mean, like a quarter turn of the crank set, and that sensor really kicks in. That's cool. Holy smokes. That thing's got so much torque. When it kicks in, it like wants to pop the front tire. You can feel it. I like it. Man, this feels so good. Tell you what, torque sensors are the way to go. Since I started riding torque sensor bikes, I mean, that's just the way to go. But I love the fact that they give you the option. Oh, heck yeah. Super nice. Super nice. I like it. It handles good. I really like the torque sensor. It feels good. I even like the size. Even with the seat raised up like this, for a bigger guy, it still feels good. It feels good. I would want to raise the handlebars just a smidgen, but yeah, I like it. All right, Emma, I'll let you have it back so we can go for a ride. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this video for now. We just wanted to get this out and give our first impressions, first rides. We're going to go for a longer ride now as a family, and yeah, we probably won't record that one though. But let me know what you think about the brand new Troxus Lynx Plus. Leave any comments or questions down below. I'll try to get back to you. Make sure you subscribe, because this is just the first video of many that we're going to be making with this this new bike, and be looking for the full review, which will come in about a week or two. That's going to be it for this one. You guys ride responsibly and ride safe.